The whole thing was at 2 hours and 39 minutes, and they're following the earnings call. I think it's pretty interesting because they what happened each time, right? Basically, the sentiment has happened the whole season, like this whole past couple of months. The whole sentiment has been AI is a bubble, circular accounting. All these messed up narratives have come that have made people doubt that the potential in the future of AI. And now, because people are doubting the potential of AI, the future of AI, and particularly one thing that's been getting harped on the news a lot, and in YouTube video essays and in the financial press is kind of turned on AI. They mentioned circular accounting and capex. So basically, all these companies had amazing earnings. These are the kind of earnings that just a year or two ago, each of these stocks would have shot through the roof. But now the earnings are actually better than a lot of the earnings that were rewarded in the past like 3 or 4 years. And all the stocks tanked anyway, just based on the term capital expenditures. That's basically how much are you spending on, your technology investments. Because that's what the narrative is now. That's what the news is saying. That's what the buzz is saying. It's all about these companies are spending too much money. So they were mentioning revenue. They were mentioning all these amazing metrics. These ad revenues, profit sales, and like I was listening to their earnings calls and watching the stock price in real life, in real time, and you could see as they were talking the earnings call, the stock would start going up after hours, and as soon as they mentioned capital expenditures, you would see it start to drop in real time. It was crazy. I just couldn't believe what I was seeing. Like it was like, as soon as they mentioned any of this in real time, it just automatically just started dying on the vine right there. It was really nuts. And so this happened every single time, and every single day, like investors were like dying because there was like 7 of these earnings to be announced. And each time you have to be like, oh my God, please, can this time we not have a huge crash? And it would happen each time. And the earnings were so good, and people couldn't understand why can't people get past this thing about the capital expenditure, which is going to lead to the big premise that I have today as far as what I think causes all these problems. And that is fundamentals really don't matter until they matter. Most of the time, fundamentals do not matter. And that is something that you're not supposed to say, you're not supposed to believe.